everyone, just wanted to stop by quickly today and show you a little tip. I discovered this. I have water stains on my table, and online I found that they recommended using an iron to get rid of them. I decided to give it a shot with my heat gun that I use for embossing cards and that sort of thing when I'm making them. And I will show you in real time. Now, it's up to yourself. Do this at your own risk. This is an older table and I didn't mind taking chances on it. But like I said, do it at your own risk. And this is what I found when I used the heat gun on these water stains. So I'll do this in real time and you'll just see how fast this goes and the difference it makes. Same spot. It's not perfect, but it takes away the hard edges at least on it, and it looks better than it did. So if you want to give it a shot, I haven't done this area down here yet, so this is what that area over here looked like when I started. So you can see there's quite a big difference, and this is the area I just finished over here. So it's up to you if you try it or not, but I just thought I'd throw that out there. Thanks, bye.